Welcome back to SurvivalScope. Today, we're exploring one of the most crucial tools for any survivalist or camper, the survival knife. Whether you're prepping for an emergency or planning your next outdoor adventure, having a reliable knife can make all the difference. Today, we'll explore the Holtzman's GORRILA line. First up, we have the Hornet Bushcraft knife. This knife is known for its full-tang fixed blade made of D2 steel with a fire starter, scraper, and paracord included. It comes in a striking black with an orange liner or another in black with a green liner, making it a must-have survival knife. The Hornet Bushcraft knife boasts a razor-sharp 4.68-inch blade made of D2 steel, known for its excellent edge retention and durability. This blade can easily cut through wood, paper, plastic, or aluminum without going blunt. The knife's handle is made of G10 material, which is 1.4 inches wide, enhancing precision and control. Its anti-slip design ensures a firm and comfortable grip, even in wet conditions. The knife comes with a handy Kydex sheath featuring an upgraded tech lock and a lanyard hole for easy attachment to your belt, ensuring safe and easy carrying. The complete survival knife kit includes a flint rod with a G10 handle and a G10 scraper to help you start a fire, and an Allen wrench to secure all attachments on the sheath. Next, we have the Silverback Survival Camping Knife. This knife features a fixed blade made of D2 steel and comes with a fire starter, G10 scraper, and paracord. It's a reliable companion for any outdoor adventure. The Silverback Survival Knife is equipped with an 8.6-inch overall length, including a 4.0-inch D2 steel blade. With a thickness of 0.136 inches and a hardness of 5860 HRC, this razor-sharp blade is built for optimal functionality. The knife's ergonomic handle is made of G10 material, which is 1.4 inches wide, ensuring a comfortable anti-slip grip for better agility and control. The Silverback comes with a complete bushcraft knife kit, including a Kydex sheath with a leather strap, a ferro rod, a G10 scraper, and a paracord. The ferro rod and scraper easily starts fires. These attachments can be easily managed with the included Allen wrench. This makes the Hornet the perfect for any survivalist or outdoor enthusiast. Moving on to our third knife, we have the Warthog Survival Camping Knife. This knife features a full-tang tactical blade made of D2 steel with a black blade and a black-brown handle. It's designed for maximum durability and performance in the wilderness and comes with an adjustable belt clip. The Warthog Survival Knife is a 9.21-inch outdoor knife equipped with a 4.25-inch D2 steel blade. With a thickness of 0.16 inches and a hardness of 58 to 60 HRC, this razor-sharp edge is built for optimal functionality. The ergonomic handle is 4.96 inches long and made of G10 material, ensuring a comfortable anti-slip grip for better agility and control. This knife comes with a complete bushcraft kit, including a Kydex sheath, a ferro rod with a G10 handle, a G10 scraper, and a paracord. The attachments can be easily managed with the included Allen wrench. The ferro rod and scraper easily starts a fire anywhere, whenever the need arises. The Warthog comes in multiple colors, black, green, and brown, making this the perfect choice for any survival situation. Next up, we have the Fireline series Bushcraft Survival Knife. This knife features a full-tang fixed blade made of 1095 high-carbon steel with a black blade and a black handle with a green liner. It's built for maximum durability and performance in the great outdoors. The Fireline series knife is an 11.06-inch tactical grade knife equipped with a 6.29-inch blade made of 1095 high-carbon steel. This razor-sharp blade is designed to cut through wood, paper, plastic, and aluminum with ease. The ergonomic G10 handle is 4.77 inches long and features a beautiful green or orange lining, ensuring a comfortable anti-slip grip for precise use. The Fireline series comes with a complete bushcraft kit, including a Kydex sheath with an upgraded tech lock and a lanyard hole, a ferro rod with a G10 handle, a G10 scraper, and a paracord. These attachments can be easily managed with the included Allen wrench. The Fireline series is offered in 2 different styles. All black blade and handle with either a green or orange lining, making it a great choice for any survival scenario. Lastly, we have the Tracker Survival Knife Set. This knife features a full tang fixed blade made of D2 steel with a black and gray handle. It's an ideal choice for bushcraft and outdoor gear enthusiasts. The Tracker knife is a 12.04-inch outdoor knife equipped with a 6.85-inch D2 steel blade. With a thickness of 0.16 inches and a hardness of 5860 HRC, this razor-sharp edge is built for optimal functionality. The ergonomic G10 handle is 5.19 inches long and ensures a comfortable anti-slip grip for better agility and control during use. The knife comes with a complete bushcraft kit, including a Kydex sheath, a ferro rod with a G10 handle, a G10 scraper, and a paracord. These attachments can be easily managed with the included Allen wrench. The ferro rod and scraper that comes with the Tracker allows for fire starting at any time when you need it most. The adjustable belt clip allows you to carry in multiple positions. The Tracker is a great option for your survival kit or camping gear. Choosing the right survival knife can make all the difference in your outdoor adventures. Whether you're a seasoned bushcrafter, an avid camper, or just someone who loves to explore the wilderness, the right tool can ensure your safety and enhance your experience. These carefully crafted knives, the Hornet, the Silverback, the Warthog, the Fireline series, and the Tracker, are designed to meet the demands of any outdoor enthusiast. Update. Thank you for watching and happy adventuring.